Hi guys, it's Anthony De La Cruz here. Today I have a special unboxing in it. Boom! The new iPhone 12 Pro in black. Look how cool this thing is. These are the instructions in there. There's an Apple sticker. There's only one instead of a lot. That is the charger that came with it. I didn't even do an unboxing on Christmas because I was tired. And see, there's the black color and it has 3 cameras in it. I'm gonna show you how it does. That is pretty legit. I love that iPhone 12 Pro in black. I like the Pikachu pop socket. Bye guys, I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications on, and send requests on the comments. Bye guys.